All right, ladies and gentlemen, it says I'm live, so I'm gonna go ahead and do an update for you guys. All right, it says that I'm live, so I'm gonna go ahead and do an update for you guys. We have some TA, some fresh TA, some fresh new TA for y'all. Yo, 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 what up? Make sure you guys press that like button. You did. Good afternoon, everybody. What up, what up, what up, what up? Okay. So let me show you guys what we got. SPY. SPY is in a rising wedge, hitting brand new highs. SPY went up to 508 today. We had resistance at 503. Once it broke that 503 resistance, big pop to the upside. Why? Because this has been major resistance for several days now. You guys can see that we came up and retested this once, retested this twice, retested it 3 times, finally broke above, holding as support, and that's what gave us the momentum to bounce to the upside. Now SPY is currently in this rising wedge. MACD starting to fade down. Let's see, 2-hour MACD is still pretty good, but RSI is overbought. RSI overbought on the 4-hour, RSI overbought, going overbought on the daily, and RSI is overbought on the weekly. So little to no room to run again on SPY. This is the problem we keep coming across as we keep hitting our head on these levels due to the RSI just being way too overbought, and the market being overbought. We can see that we're sitting at 72 on a 4-hour time frame, testing the edge of the bands right now, seeing if we hold that as support. It does look like as of right now, currently though, we're going to break down out of this rising wedge, because you have this rising wedge, you have the Bollinger Bands getting tight, you have MACD red here, MACD red here on the 5 and the 10. Volume is dropping down. It looks like SPY is probably going to break down on the rising wedge here shortly or into close. It is power hour right now, so we could see this move. We're going to see a lot of volatility here in the last hour of the market. GME is basically flat. I mean, literally basically flat. I don't like that the MACD is curling down though. I want to see GME start to move back to the upside. We have MACD curling up on the 4-hour. We have MACD curling up on the 4-hour. We have MACD green on the 2-hour with Bollinger Bands constricted. We really want to see GME get back above that $13.60 level. It looks like we tried to do that this morning to play out that double bottom that I talked about in yesterday's video. We had a double bottom setup right here for GME, and we had a pennant setup for AMC. And it looks like GME tried to break out of that this morning here in pre-market and then actually got rejected. Let me go ahead and just see if there was any type of shares drop this morning. They have 450,000 for GME right now. 750,000 for AMC. That was 16 hours ago. It was 12 hours. This was 4. So they're loading up yesterday, pre-market, and after hours. Getting some shares, using some shares. Okay. So yeah, you want to see GME get back above $13.62. $13.62. If you see GME get back above $13.62, then you could get a nice pop to the upside for GME stock. All right, let's go ahead and go into AMI right here. AMI. So AMI, there was a bit of kind of like a head and shoulders formation here. A very slight one, kind of like a shoulder here, a head here, and a shoulder here. And your neckline would have been this $4.50 mark. That's why I marked it in gold, because it was a very, 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 very key support and resistance for AMC stock. Anytime you see these gold lines, that means it's more important than the purple ones. The purple ones are support and resistance, but these gold ones are where you're going to see big swings. So for example, right here on SPY, once we broke above that 503.45, we got that big pop to the upside. Here on AMC, we had $4.50. Once we broke below that, we had a big drop to the downside. So yeah, you guys can see that tech is up greatly. Semiconductors are up greatly. All of that stuff that is like the blue chips, basically stuff that they're using for collateral for AMC short positions. Anytime you see those types of things pump, you're gonna see AMC most likely take a hit. So we did see Nvidia, Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, Meta, all of those things are green right now and seeing recoveries from the pullback that they were seeing earlier. So you're gonna see AMC really use any shares at all. They still have 750,000. They had 850,000 about 5 hours ago. They did use about 100,000 shares. About 100 to 150,000 shares is what they used. Looks like AMC's holding support here at $4.38. $4.38. It looks like we're back above support here. So here on the micro level, the smaller time frames to see what's going on, it looks like AMC could see a bounce. I'm expecting AMC to go back towards $4.50, ladies and gentlemen. I'm expecting AMC to go back towards $4.50 here by the end of the week. That's AMC's max pain. Shorts took heavy losses last week. When AMC rallied. So they're going to want to try to make up some of that money on premium here. So they're going to want to push AMC towards $4.50, and they're going to want to nail it this week. They didn't hit it last week. They're going to want to try to nail it this week because they took heavy losses last week when AMC rallied. So they're trying to make some of that back, in my personal opinion. Still have this sloping resistance. All right, SPY currently holding rising wedge. SQQQ obviously down because tech is up. Bitcoin consolidating still in that range. If Bitcoin breaks above, actually, let me draw. If Bitcoin breaks above, let me make it 52,500. 52,500, you're going to see a big pop to the upside for BTC. If it breaks above 52,500. And if Ethereum breaks above and holds 3,000, you're going to see a big pop to the upside for Ethereum too. Ethereum and Bitcoin are both setting up for major moves. I don't think I said 670 was the top. But thanks for the super chat, dude. Bano changed her pick. I see you took my advice. The hell? Good afternoon, Robert. What's up, man? What up, AK? This shit gonna hit the fan when the first quarter earnings come through. I'm hoping these numbers are really good. My personal opinion is that we're gonna see decent numbers, and they're supposedly supposed to have Taylor Swift and Beyonce's numbers on there. So if there is any time, bro, it would be around this time for earnings to actually do something. Right now, we're fighting a battle. There's a lot of buy orders down here for AMC. Remember we talked about these buy orders yesterday at $4.38 and $4.30? There's a lot of buy orders down here for AMC. So it looks like algos were pushing for this price target. People were trying to possibly push it down a little bit lower so they can get a better price to run it up. There's definitely a $5 price target up here, though. You can see all these sell orders at $4.95, $5, $5.05, around that range. Earnings is the 28th. No, yeah, it's the 20. This says, yeah, the 28th. So February 28th. We have a straight downwards channel till February 28th. February 28th happens, we reverse and pop. That could be one scenario. I should make 3 scenarios. 3 possible scenarios for earnings. That's a bull flag. This is a bull flag. I guess if you can find the clip. If you find the clip of me saying that. Because I don't remember. Thanks for the super chat, though. I sure enough find a bunch of clips of me being right. But you can go ahead and try to find the clip of me being wrong. I'd love to see it. 28th after 5 p.m. Thank you, Joe. Damn, after 5? Why so late? That's deep in the after hours. After 5? All right, so it looks like AMC is trying to get a push back to the upside here. We need to break back above $4.41. $4.41. That's the range holding us right now. If AMC breaks above $4.41, we could see a pop to about $4.50. That's our next support and resistance range. After 450, we have 465. Don't really have much for SPY because this is all new price action, but I can make assessments based off what's here already. Yeah, so 510 would be the next. 510, 15, 510 even would be the next major support and resistance on SPY. It also made another gap to the downside, unfortunately. Why does GameStop Weeble have to do this shit? Are you guys like trying to get a medal for trying to prove me wrong or something? I don't understand what your goal is here. I literally called the buy signal for Nvidia at 280, bro. I don't even know what you're talking about. If you really want me to go into it, dude. If you really want me to go into it, dude, I was actually right about Nvidia because I called the buy signal at $280, bro. So I don't even know what you're really talking about. I called the buy signal at $280. So if you were in the Discord months ago, you would realize that I called the buy signal at $280 and you could have rode this thing all the way up. So I really actually don't know what you're talking about. And I never officially called a top. How are you going to tell me what I said, dude? You need to get off my dick for real. I'm not going to give you any more attention. You're just going to keep giving me money for nothing. I'm not giving you any more attention. So if you send me another super chat, I'm just going to keep taking your money. Stop looking for attention. Stop looking for clout. This ain't the place to do it. If you really want to get down to it, I called the buy signal at 280, bro. Yeah, it's free money. Free money. All because they want to talk shit. It's actually funny. Yeah, keep sending me money. I love it. Keep sending me money. You can talk as much shit as you want. I don't care. I'm just going to ignore you. Thank you, man. I appreciate it, Momo. It's not even that, bro. It's not even that. I'm not trying to say that I'm right all the time. It's just that people are so weird now about me being correct. I guess because I'm right so much that people are astonished or shocked or highly disappointed or something when I make one mistake like a human normally does. So I really don't understand what the goal of trying to highlight a possible bad call that I made. And secondly, I don't even remember saying that number. And these people are saying two different numbers. They're saying 675, 670. So you guys don't even have your facts straight. So you would need for me to have a clip for me to even believe what you're saying is true, first of all. And second of all, like I said, if you really want to get into it, I call the buy signal at 280. This one says free for. Yeah. Okay, AMC testing that support and resistance of 442 that we need to break above. 442, we need to break above that to see a pop to the upside for AMC. 442, support and resistance being tested currently as we speak. We have about 40 minutes left, 40 minutes left of trading. GameStop somehow miraculously green on the day. I don't know how GameStop has been an overall downtrend, but it's still holding green for today. Listen, overall downtrend, still green on the day. But if you actually look, I hate that GameStop is putting this line here, or that Webull keeps putting that line there. This line shouldn't be here. So that line is actually this line. That line shouldn't be there, but Webull does weird shit. So when I zoom in, watch this. Watch this line. Why is it here? But anyways, if you look, it's this wick here is messing everything up. But if you look, you almost have like a sloping resistance here. And then you have this support. Could you see something like that? Yeah, you got support here. You have support here. And you have a descending resistance here. Okay, AMC trying to push to the upside. Trying to break above 442. That's the level we need to break. 442. You dig? Louisiana, what up, man? Louisiana seems like a crazy place to live. I ain't gonna front. It's actually pretty nice here right now. It's 72 and mostly sunny. 72, mostly sunny. Damn, snow. I would be mad as hell. Bro, AMC is a different type of stock, y'all. AMC is a different type of stock. Like, if you buy this, bro, know that you're getting into a battle. And when you're buying this, you're taking a stand. Like, you're taking a stand, right? Because, like, this shit is bigger than a stock at this point, bro. This is literally... I used to not subscribe to that, like, fighting market manipulation. But you literally are fighting market manipulation by buying AMC because it's directly affecting the people that are messing the market up, because you're disrupting their everyday movement of just raping the market and racking in more money, because that's what they do every day. They just take money and manipulate other piles of money and make bigger piles of money. They do it all day, every day, and they cheat. When you buy AMC, you're disrupting all of that, because now all of a sudden you have this crowd of people called the apes starting to buy a stock that they wanted to short, and now it's causing all of this disruption. And we have been doing this for 3 years now. We literally made our own class bullish, bearish, apish. This shit is bigger than a stock, y'all. I used to think that was corny, y'all, but for real, honestly, it is. It's bigger than a stock. It really is, bro. This is bigger than just buying a stock, dude. It's bigger than that. SPY still holding this rising wedge. Looks like it's going to go into close. Looks like SPY is going to hold this in the close. Every day, they just manipulate and take money and make it into more money. And Bitcoin and Ethereum are pumping. Uh-oh. 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 Bitcoin and Ethereum are pumping. Bitcoin and Ethereum are pumping. So why your attitude changed? Because it changed because I became a bigger part of the movement, I guess. I don't know. Because I'm looking at everything that I'm seeing and just realizing that it is bigger than that. It's a movement. It's not just a stock. It's AMC apes, and the apes are a movement. It's not, look, this is a movement. You see all the people here? This is a movement. Yo, I need everyone to press that like button. I need everyone to press that like button. I need everyone to press that like button. Run them. Run it, 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 run it. If he starts acting up, Banner, you can mute him. Yeah. Oh, for the better? Oh, I see. I be missing shit. Never mind. I be missing shit in the comments. You guys talk amongst yourself, and I just like kind of tune in, and I'm like always wrong about what's going on. Oh, so I was corrected. We're actually talking about Brian's attitudes change. And yeah, why did Brian's attitude change? That's what we want to know, Brian. That's what the whole community wants to know. You were giving super chats. You were a member. You were supporting the community. And then all of a sudden you switched up on us, bro. Like, let's really talk about that for a second. We need to address the elephant in the room right now, Brian. We need to address the elephant in the room right now. You need to come up with an explanation because the whole community deserves it. Why did your attitude change? You went from a whole 180, bro. You went from one direction to a complete other. What's going on with that? We need to know. Ethereum is pumping to the upside. Ethereum just hit 3,000 per coin. Ethereum just hit 3,000 per coin. Bitcoin is breaking above 52,000. AMC seeing some resistance at 442. AMC seeing some resistance at 442. GameStop looks like it could be setting up for to like start moving up when it breaks out of this sloping resistance here. So we need to see a pop to the upside when, or we want to see a pop to the upside when GameStop breaks above this sloping resistance. It could start here in the last couple minutes of the market, but we'll see. You know he's gonna copy you now. All right, so now everybody is communicating right now. We're figuring out the issues. There's drama in the DataZero community, y'all. Drama alert, drama alert, drama alert. Does this bring in views? Does this bring in views when there's drama in the community? There's drama in the fam right now. The fam is fighting. Oh no. Everybody tune in. Trouble in paradise, baby. Yo, Matic is pumping right now. Matic is a top mover. Matic is a top mover right now. Matic is pumping. Matic is up. Matic is up, y'all. It's up 5% in the last hour. It's up 11% in the last day, 14% in the last week. I just got a notification. Matic is a top mover. GameStop trying to break out. Thank you for the super chat, dog. Options trader. Yo, thank you for the super chat, bro. All right, I'm going to get some coffee so I can get hyped. Yo, I'll tell you what, ladies and gents, I got a fat steak in the fridge right now, and that shit got my name on it, bro. I'm about to... I think I want that steak tonight. I've been eating tacos. I ate tacos for like 2 days. Not 2 days, like a day. I made tacos. When did I make tacos? On Tuesday. I ate tacos yesterday and on Tuesday. That shit was slap. I ain't gonna front. But I'm about to eat the steak today, I think. I got a fat... It's like this fat, y'all. It's crazy. I got one of them beefy boys. It's called a New York strip thick. All right, so look, someone said, Brian, you're the man. Momo said, Brian, you're the man. So, Brian, you're being accepted back into the community. If you just apologize to Chili. Brian, if you apologize to Chili, you'll be accepted back into the community. There's trouble in paradise right now. There's trouble afoot. Ladies and gentlemen, there's trouble afoot. Bro, y'all are crazy, y'all. You guys do your own thing in the chat, man. I just kind of just host the show. I just kind of do this part, and you guys kind of do that part. I'm just a host. GameStop is trying to break out, y'all. GameStop is trying to break out. GameStop is trying to break out. Why does SPY get the rally, but GameStop and AMC get no benefit? Does anyone ever ask yourself that? And then you have YouTubers saying that if SPY rallies, AMC and GME are going to rally with it. That's not even true. Because if that was true, why isn't AMC and GME rallying right this second? All of the massive pumps we've seen on the market don't even pump this hard. The market don't even move this many points. And we've seen these massive, massive pumps in the market. Yet we have seen no pumps like that on AMC and GME. Well, we've seen some decent pumps, but it's been mostly flat for like the past. If you really look at it, we've been in a range. Like, until we get back above like $10, we're still in a basic range. Just the overall, we have to get back above like $12. So why? Don't believe the hype, ladies and gentlemen. SPY does not help AMC and GME. SPY does not help AMC and GME. And I'll tell you something even better. NASDAQ definitely doesn't help AMC and GME. Where's NASDAQ at? Yeah, this, I'm telling you right now, does not help AMC and GME. And neither does SPY. Look at this massive gap. What are we really talking here? Massive gap, break into the rising wedge. False break to the downside, then it's like, nope. Gap up, bitch. What up, yo? What's up, Christian? Thank you for being a member, bro. Yeah, so SPY is definitely holding the rising wedge. Next resistance for SPY would be like at 510. Yeah, Nvidia is wild, bro. If you don't think this is overvalued, I don't know what to tell you. If you think this is not overvalued, I don't know what to tell you. There's multiple gap fills to the downside. So the whole thing with Nvidia that is scary is the fact that the whole rally started with a gap up. So this whole rally is built on a massive gap. You have this gap up here, and then it starts to go. But yeah, if you've never seen a bubble, this is what it looks like. It's the tech AI bubble, dog. If you've never seen it, this is what it looks like. This is what the hell a bubble looks like. That. The RSI is at 86 on the weekly. It literally went in a straight up line. A straight up line. If you don't think that's a bubble and overvalued and there's not room for correction in there, you're insane. And then also RSI at 82 on the monthly with bearish divergence. RSI trending down while price is trending up. But they did, listen, I want everyone to know that they did give us the price targets for Nvidia and SPY, because I don't think it was Doug Sifu, but they were giving price targets like 6 months ago or like 4 months ago. They were giving price targets when we were in this. They literally told us what was going to happen. That's what they do now. I want you guys to understand that they literally tell you what's going to happen now. When we were going in this downtrend here, coming down from this high, they told us Nvidia was going to 800 and they told us SPY was going to 500. They had, it was, I think it was like Goldman Sachs price targets, or analysts were giving price targets. I don't remember exactly what analyst it was, but a couple analysts were giving price targets, and they were like high up analysts. It wasn't just random analysts. I think it was like Goldman Sachs or something. You guys might remember. But they gave a Nvidia price target for 800, and then they give a SPY price target for 500. And then like a week or two later after that, a video started circulating of Doug Sifu talking about how they drive. No, it wasn't Doug Sifu. It was Ken Griffin. It was Ken Griffin. A video came out about Ken Griffin saying how they drive prices to the valuations that they want them to be. Ken Griffin literally out of his mouth said, with the help of the liquidity fairy, they drive valuations to the price they want them to be. Or I think he said they think they should be at. I think that was his exact words. He was like, and we help drive prices to the valuations that we think they should be. A video came out with him saying that, and it was about like a month or two after they gave us a price target of 800 and 500 for SPY and 800 for Nvidia, and there was a couple other ones floating around too. They literally told us what was going to happen. They literally told us, bro. This shit is crazy now. They do this shit, bro. I could get into some shit with you guys, but I'm not. It's called hiding stuff in plain sight. That's what they do. And predictive programming. It's called predictive programming and hiding stuff in plain sight. GME did see a rejection from the sloping resistance. Looks like bearishness for the rest of the days, y'all. Bearishness for the rest of the day. Bitcoin is trying to break 52,000. If Bitcoin breaks 52,500, you're going to see a big pop to the upside. Impressively, Ethereum holding 3,000 per coin right now. If Ethereum holds 3,000 per coin, you're going to see a big move to the upside for Ethereum. Possibly 3,200, 3,500 very, very quickly. And Ethereum's all-time high is about 4,800, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, it's 4,800. So Ethereum is not far away from its all-time highs. And then, of course, Bitcoin is not far away from its all-time highs either. That bull run I was telling you guys is coming is starting to look a lot more real, isn't it? That crypto bull run that I told you guys was coming, it's starting to look a lot more legitimate, don't it? I think almost everybody can see it now. We're almost at all-time highs. The crypto bull run is it's here. It's happening. We have 9 minutes remaining. 9 minutes remaining. Yo. Yeah, this shit is dope. Yo, I got on for an hour, bruh. I got on for an hour. I gotta give some type of update or something. I can't just sit here. Who do I think I am? Okay, so SPY still in the rising wedge. SPY still in the rising wedge. SPY possibly going to see a breakdown, but not until after hours, ladies and gentlemen. Not until after hours. Why does Weeble do this shit? Come on, Weeble. You kill me, bro. Weeble. God, stop. Why? Why does SPY always make rising wedges? Dude, SPY and the rising wedges have just been ridiculously of his late. Like, look at this. 1, 2, 3. 1 rising wedge. 2 rising wedge. 3 rising wedge. 3 rising wedges. AMC still consolidating in between the ranges of $4.36 and of course $4.42. We can see a pop to the upside if we do break above 442 on AMC. If we break below 436, you're probably going to see a move to about $4.15. If we break above 442, you would see a move to about $4.50. As of right now, based off what I'm seeing, you're most likely going to see $4.50 happening soon. We do have a bit of bullish divergence, it seems like. Hold on, let me see to be sure. Not really bullish divergence, but yeah, not really per se. You got bullish momentum building. You can see that in the RSI. You can see that in the MACD. But it's not bullish divergence because you're not in an overall downtrend. My RSI is in an overall uptrend. Well, hold on. Kind of. Like, you see this downtrend? It's almost bullish divergence. Check it out. You can see the bullish building. You see this overall downtrend while RSI is in an overall uptrend. You can see bullishness building in the momentum indicator, RSI, and the momentum indicator, MACD. MACD, that sounds like a pimp's name. Yo, I'm Pimp MACD. Pimp Daddy MACD, baby. Dude, that sounds just like a pimp's name. You can't convince me it's not a pimp's name. MACD. Yo, I'm Pimp Baby MACD, baby, in the building. It's Pimp Baby MACD. Bro, that sounds just like a pimp's name. Pimp Daddy MACD. Pimp. Next resistance for SPY is at 510. 510. We have resistance at 508. 32. 508. No, hold on, I'm sorry. 508.40. 508.40. I just hit my face with the mic. I gotta get one of those arms. I do have to get one of those. I don't know where I'm gonna put it though, but I was thinking maybe hanging the mic upside down like this, have it the arm come up over the computer, and then have the mic hang down like this. That would actually probably be sick. And then I could just pull it closer or like this. Yeah, I should get that. I should get the arm and put it above my monitor. And then I could... Yeah, that would probably work out pretty good. And then this mic has a thing I could just attach it. Probably give me good audio quality too. I think that would be pretty damn good. Yo, 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 yo. Who gave a super chat? Bano! Thank you! British pounds are worth so much more than dollars. Bano with the super chat. You dig? Bano with the super chat. You already know. She's repping right now. She got the membership, the super chat, and the mod status. You can't go any harder. That's full support right there. That is support. I love it. Not only moderator, membership, and super chats. That is hardcore support. No, I'm not gonna ban you. Bro was scared I was gonna ban him if the video. Bro was scared I was gonna ban him if the video went to 800. That's literally the price target they gave us, bro, with the predictive programming. I just talked about that earlier. Bro thought I was gonna ban him for real. Bro thought I was gonna ban him if the video went to 800 for real. Yeah, that shit is crazy. Now that you reminded me, I am gonna ban you. Since you reminded me, because I forgot all about it. Oh shit, I gotta go to the store ASAP. Oh no. I should have went to the store before I even started the stream. Actually, I can run there before the normies get off work. It'll just be a little bit traffic. If I leave as soon as I cut the stream off. Press release. Thank you for the super chat, dog. You guys are wilding with the super chats. I don't know what's going on, but we got more super chats. So here, we're just gonna shout everyone out. Yeah, you already know what it is, bro. I've been on for an hour, bro. Just check this out. This shit crazy, bro. People going wild with the super chats. Make sure you guys press that like button, man. We only got 57. We need at least 100 of them things. We need at least 100 of them things. We need at least 100 of them things. Yeah, you're right. Oh, we got 2,000. We got 10,000. Yo. I love this shit. Okay, market is closed, market is closed, market is closed, market is closed, market is closed. Yo, shout out to all the new subs, baby. We're at 10,209. Man, I wish I streamed for longer. I wish I was on for the rest of the day. I wish I got on stream sooner, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. Sometimes, yo, I'm sorry, y'all. Shit. I wish I got on sooner, y'all. Shout out to everybody who was here. Make sure you press that like button. Market is closed. Official closing prices, 507. It looks like that wedge might have broke down. Yeah, the wedge broke down, ladies and gentlemen. The wedge broke down. Benjamin in the building. Benjamin, thank you. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you. Benjamin showing some support. Thank you, dog. I appreciate you. Truly appreciate it, y'all. You guys are going nuts with the supers as of late. Thank you guys for showing your love and support, man. I truly appreciate it. We've been on for an hour, and it's been popping already. This was like the most popping hour that we've had in probably a while. So SPY did break down out of the rising wedge, ladies and gentlemen. So you're probably going to see a little bit more downside coming for tomorrow into Friday. So expect downside tomorrow. I'm going to do a video. I'm going to probably do a video later tonight. Actually, I'm definitely going to do a video because I have a lot of energy right now. I'm feeling good. I didn't stream all day. AMC did break above $4.42 here in after hours. So look, and this is why I tell people, guys, SPY is not helping AMC. As soon as SPY starts to pull back, AMC starts to go up. As soon as SPY starts to pull back, literally look what AMC did. It did the exact opposite of what SPY did today. Look, SPY went up and then started to pull back. AMC went down and started to pull up. It's because SPY doesn't help AMC. SPY does not help AMC, y'all. I'm trying to tell you guys this. SPY does not help AMC. It literally did the exact opposite. So AMC is probably going to have a green after hours, moving towards $4.50. SPY is going to probably start pulling back. And I'm going to talk about that in the video, how they don't help each other. Bitcoin and Ethereum are setting up for a move. Guys, thank you for the super chat, y'all. Thank you guys so much, man. I appreciate it, y'all. Thank you, guys. Steve! Thank you, brother. Yo, he hit me with the euros. I think euros are worth way more. They're going crazy again, dog. They're going crazy. Yo, Steve, bro, thank you. Why do you guys do this? I love it. Thank you. I'm honored. I'm truly honored, for real, guys. Truly honored. Okay, so AMC did break above $4.42, so we're going to see a possible pop to the upside for AMC here in after hours. By the time I come out with the video, you should see green after hours. SPY's probably going to have red after hours. And GameStop probably going to remain mostly flat because GameStop is going to have to go a little bit longer before its breakout. Remember, if Bitcoin breaks above 52,500, you're going to see a decent pop to the upside for Bitcoin. If Ethereum holds $3,000, you're going to see a big pop to the upside for Ethereum. AMC probably going to have green after hours. AMC probably going to have green after hours. Guys, thank you for all the super chats today, y'all. I don't know how comes you guys are so grateful or so supportive sometimes, but I really, 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 really am grateful. All right, guys. So I guess it's over for today. Yeah, I guess it has to be over for today. I really need to go to the store. I would probably stream for a little bit longer, but I have to go to the store. AMC is pushing here in after hours. I kind of want to leave. Kind of want to watch it here, but anyways, I think AMC is going to go back towards $4.50. I think AMC is going to go back towards $4.50. I'm gonna shout out to Sarah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, stream at the store. You guys would like that, huh? If I just hopped in the whip and did some IRL streaming. I have to go before traffic gets bad, though. Shit, man, I wish I didn't have to go. Seriously. I have energy to stream right now. I guess I'll save it for the video, and I'll save it for tomorrow. I'll be nice and energetic and ready for tomorrow. Just prepare for a green after hours for AMC, ladies and gentlemen. Especially if SPY starts to pull back decent. I gotta get L's. I will definitely be here tomorrow. I'll definitely be here tomorrow, guys. I will not miss another stream. Don't worry. I will not miss another stream. Especially on Friday. I'm pissed I missed today. I'm pissed I missed today. I really am. Like, you guys don't even know. I'm pissed I missed today. And I can't even see how many views I got right now. So, yeah, I'm upset I missed today. I know I didn't get enough views. All right, let me get out of here before the traffic gets crazy, guys. No, I wasn't busy today. If I normally miss the stream, like, I'll announce that I'm not streaming for the day. That's when I'm busy. Like, if I say, hey, we're not streaming today, or I'm streaming later, that's when I'm busy. I'll let everyone know. Like, I'll make a post or a video on the short video. I'll make some type of something to reach out. No, today I just missed it. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later. As always, y'all, have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out. And look, AMC's about to break the high for after hours. I'm telling you guys, after hours is nice right now. Check this out, baby. Keep an eye on her. Keep an eye on her. She might go to $4.50 here in after hours. RSI has a little bit more room to run. She could definitely hit $4.50 here in after hours. All right, y'all, let me go before it gets too crazy out there, because you guys don't understand. Traffic out there is insane. Yo, AMC's trying to go to 450 in after hours, ladies and gentlemen. Well, when SPY goes down, SQQQ goes up. You guys are active right now, man. You guys are making me not want to leave. What the fuck? I gotta go before I get stuck here. We gotta do this another time, y'all. I need you guys to stay more often. We normally stream to like 4:30, 4:15 every single day, just so you guys know. We normally wait like 15 to 30 minutes after the market is closed before we shut down the stream. All right, y'all. Let me go. Thank you all again. I truly appreciate the support. And I will see you guys tomorrow and later today when I do the video. 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. Check out the channel for a video. And then tomorrow I'll be streaming 9:15.